Dear student, today's topic cell organelles. What is cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. There are many cell organelles in our cells. First, cell organelles. Organelles, little organ, found only eukaryotic cell. All the stuff between the organelles is cystole. Everything in a cell except the nucleus is cytoplasm. Here is a cell. There are many cell organelles in our body. First is cell membrane. Cell membrane, made up of phospholipid bilayer. Boundary of a cell. सेकेंड हमारे पास है न्यूक्लियस, कंट्रोल सेंटर ऑफ द सेल. It's contain DNA surrounded by a double membrane. Usually the easiest organelles to see under the microscope. Usually one per cell. Here is a cell membrane. Okay, now third is cytoskeleton. Act as a skeleton and muscles. Provides shape and structure. Help move organelles around the cell. Made up of three types of cell. Made up of three types of filament. Microtubules, actin filament and intermediate filament. Next is endoplasmic reticulum, ER, connected to nuclear membrane, highway of the cell, rough studded with the ribosomes, its make protein, smooth ER, no ribosomes, its make lipids. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, rough and smooth. Ribosome sites of protein synthesis found attached to rough ER or floating frame cytosol, produced in a part of the cell. Nucleus, called the nucleolus. Next, Golgi apparatus. Look like a stack of plates, stores, modify and package of proteins. Molecule transported to end. From the Golgi by means of vessels. Lysosomes. Lysosomes garbage the disposable of the cell. Contain digestive enzyme. It's break down the waste material. Next is mitochondria, is a powerhouse of cell. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. Cellular respiration occur here to release energy for the cell to use. Bound by a double membrane. Has its own strand of DNA. It's a mitochondria. Chloroplast, found only in plant cells, contain the green pigments chlorophylls, sites of foods, glucose production, bounded by a double membrane. Cell wall, found in plant and bacterial cell, rigid protective barrier.